All right, everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Overheard at Breakfast Challenge from TryHackMe's Hacker Holidays 2026 event as part of day number 6. So let's take a look at what's going on in this challenge. So this is an OSINT category challenge. So OSINT is basically using open source intelligence, basically public information. And today, this is the description. So the breakfast terrace is loud this morning, clinking cutlery, espresso machines, the usual chatter. One guest couldn't help but linger at a nearby table, seeing more of a conversation than they were meant to. When the table's occupant stepped away for a refill, they seized the moment and grabbed a screenshot before it could disappear. Somewhere in that conversation is enough to track down an account nobody was supposed to find. We've got a couple of files to download here to do the room. But we also have an itinerary. So it says analyze the provided conversation for identifying details, extract the relevant clues, locate the hidden account, submit the flag. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is we need to download these task files. So download them. I'll create a directory to work inside of. So this is day 6. And we'll move the file that we just downloaded from the downloads directory. Where was it? Overheard at breakfast. Okay, so we'll unzip the file. And there's something called conversation.png. So to open up a file from the terminal, we can use the xdg open command. It basically uses whatever the default file is, or the default program to open up the file. So in this case, it's going to use a image viewer file, to look at the PNG. Okay, so what's going on here? Hey Lambo. Hi Ponzi, how are things going on your end? Doing well, thanks for asking. Enjoying the resort so far? Absolutely. Bite Lotus is treating me nice, love the food, weather, and overall vibes. We'll probably come back next year too. Love to hear it. So I've been posting so much on social media and helping customers around. I never ended up getting your handle so that I could possibly tag you next time. Glad to hear that. I've been seeing those awesome posts. Yeah, nowadays I don't really use much social media. Though I'm still out there, I used to use this free tool that let me upload my profile and link other media accounts. Was neat until I wiped everything. Started with the G, if I remembered correctly. But if anything, this is the best way of communication. So we've got your email address over here. Okay, so this is the information we need. Let's talk about what we're doing in this challenge. So in this challenge for Hacker Holidays, we're asked to analyze an online conversation for sensitive information and identify a hidden online account. So after downloading and examining the picture file, we see these details. So there's a free tool that let me upload my profile and link that started with a G, and then there's the email address. So if we use an AI chatbot to inquire about this kind of service, it responds with Gravatar. So if we ask about a free tool that lets me upload my profile and link and started with a G, let's go ahead and do that over here. So let's try Gemini. Okay, and what was it? I think I need help identifying a service or identifying a tool that lets me upload a what was the exact wording? The tool starts with the letter G. What is the tool's name? Okay, so the tool you're thinking of is likely Linktree or Gravatar. So the tool we're actually looking for is called Gravatar. Let's talk about this. So if we use an AI chatbot to inquire about this kind of service, it responds with Gravatar. And after a little more research, we can see that Gravatar has an email check function, which allows us to look up Gravatar accounts from their email addresses. So we can do that over here. Gravatar email check. And we find this tool over here from Gravatar. And we can plug in the email address that we found to find the account we're looking for. So what was it again? Lambo Byte Lotus Hotel at gmail.com. Okay. There it is. Check on that. And we find the account. So the profile URL is here, so we can copy this and then paste it in. And we find this person's account. So funny thing about email hashes, they follow you places you didn't expect. Glad you found the right corner of the internet. Here's your prize. So what we find here is not exactly the flag, but it's an encoded version of the flag. So this is using a very common type of encoding called base64. So we can echo it out, and then we can base64 decode it from our terminal. So from here, we get the flag. Secret profile has been identified. So we'll copy this. We'll go over to the challenge website, and then we'll submit the flag. And we're finished. Okay, so before we go, we'll talk about what happened in this challenge. Wrap up for day 6. Okay, so in this challenge, we're asked to do OSINT, that is open source intelligence. On a conversation online, like a text message convo screenshot. It included a clue for an online tool and an email. We searched, actually we asked the AI to help ID the tool, which we did, and then we accessed the tool and found the online account. And that's it. All right, everybody, that was a guided walkthrough for the Overheard at Breakfast Challenge, otherwise known as day number 6 from TryHackMe's Hacker Holidays event for 2026. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button, and if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.